Bring me sunshine all the while. Bring me laughter. Aye, day 3 of the challenge. And have I picked my weeks? Roll the intro and I'll tell you about it. Hi, welcome to the channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Langers and I am the Scruffy Trader. And what I'm trying to do is put trading in the real world. And what you find is various videos of education, my live trades, and the odd rant or two. Because I'm old and sometimes I get something on my mind and I like to get it off my chest. It's normally from lunatics, but it just makes the world go around. But this week, talking of lunatics, that stupid person is me.
Ding dong!
So I'm drinking a lot of coffee, because we all know Scruffy likes a coffee, and living on the edge, because last week I did an educational video on the London breakout. And I was asked if I would trade it for a week. Now, stupidly I said yes. And we're into day 3. And let's just say the week has had its moments. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play today's trade. And then I'll come back and I'll explain a little bit about it and tell you a little bit about why I was doing this. Okay. So if trading's your thing and you want to see it in the real world, real time, with real money, my money, please subscribe. Genuinely motivates me to do more of this. So with the self-promotion out the way, let's jump on the chart. Okay guys, so let's have a look, see what the scores on the doors are. So the challenge, we're now coming into Wednesday for day 3. Just quick recap. Monday, we had 5 positions on, of which none of them closed out, ran overnight, which led into Tuesday for the new setup. And that's what we ended up with, 347.20. So I can live with that. So let's have a look, see what the scores are today. Well, we're sitting at a shade over 7:30 in the morning. That's why I've got my coffee, because we all know Scruffy likes a coffee. Likes his Cocoa Pops as well. And it's waiting. Boxes are marked up. It's just sitting waiting for the price to come into an area of interest. And off we trot. So it's dead easy. So what I'm going to do, because there's not a great deal happening, apart from sort of yesterday where it rattled up, kept everything going. We still got a position running, which currently, if it comes and stops out, is 40 quid. And it has a current balance of 88. So kind of £88 in the bag already. And looking at the bigger picture, because I look at 4 screens on this side to check on which direction the breakout's going. Let's hopefully add to that. They're starting to look like they're going to align, hopefully. So we'll see, but we're ready to rock. So I'll speed it up and I'll come back to it when the trade's finished, and I'll keep the camera running through the day and put a bit of music on. See you on the other side. good day. I'm quite pleased with that. There's a decent amount of money banked. Closed off all the trades for the night because it's time is it? It's 5:30. And we've still got trades running because that was the idea of this week. When I decided to trade this London breakout, as I've said in the previous videos, the standard breakout strategy is nothing more than a coin toss. And I am not in this to lose money. So I am definitely out of my comfort zone. So I've dialed all the position down, as you see, and it's nowhere near what I normally trade. But the results are there, you know. So we've added another 159.45p into the pot today. So we're getting on to wage territory with little investment. So hopefully come the weekend, it's going to be a case of,
well, hello, ding dong.
But then again, if it goes badly wrong, it might be a case of,
you are physically repulsive, intellectually retarded, vulgar, insensitive, selfish, stupid. You have no taste, a lousy sense of humor, and you smell.
sorry, she loves me really. She really is my little Princess Leia. But ultimately, you have to make money in the markets. If you have a solid plan and you stick to that plan, and as long as you keep your risk under control, you'll be fine. But there is one element that you must control, and that is yourself. You see, on Monday, I could have been a startled rabbit. There was many times I thought about just pulling the plug. But if I did, I would have been on the back end of a terrible loser, instead of sticking to my guns and thinking, well, my stop is in the right place, which it was. And luckily the market, if you go back to day two, when I woke up the next morning, it was still there. You saw the market curled very close to it. So it was the right choice. It had been analysed correctly. And again today, as you've watched the market move up, the natural instinct is to see the money on the table and snatch it. I want it. It's there. But there was nothing to say, time to close this off. And that's the beauty with the box strategy, as you see all those boxes marked out. As it goes into the box, you can pull your stop up to the box below because it's containing the price. And you can watch it constantly. See that there? She's just interrupted me. Look, her, right there.
I need a pen.
You need a pen. Wasn't that rude, boys and girls? That was naughty. So I think I deserve a reward. Here, while you're here, look at that. I've done well today.
Very good. Yes.
Happy days.
Yeah.
Okay, so we might be on for the first scene. Oi, can we have a takeout tonight?
Can if you want, it's Wednesday.
We can if we want. It's Wednesday. It's Wednesday takeout day, so Scruffy's definitely happy. Sorry for the interlude. Lost my train of thought. But something came into the station and it overtook. And it was her. So, this is all real life, guys. I don't script anything. When I switch the camera on, I just yap and tell you what's in my mind. And normally, she comes along because she wants to be the star of the show. Never mind. There you go. Box strategy, as I was rudely interrupted. The boxes work like a support and resistance, i.e. they are containing price, which means you can watch the price and have a good idea of where it's going, because if it's moving to the top of the box, you can think to yourself, this might crack into the next one. Great. If it moves away and it comes down to the bottom, then you know the price is reversing. It just highlights the area that you're working in. And in some ways, that's why I like it. But today I held my nerve, right the way through the day, and it is paid. So there we go. So I'm going to call it a night. We are well in the positive. I'll do another update on the spreadsheet in the morning to add on to this, because we have got money banked into it, because you never know, those runners may cash out through the night. And tomorrow is going to be entertaining, because non-farm payroll is pulled forward a day because of the holiday in the USA. And I don't really want to trade it, because on non-farm payroll day, I don't trade. You know, I'll trade after the non-farm payroll. But because this is a challenge week, I still have to. So the game tomorrow is, I'm hoping it is going to be a breakout early morning. But whatever is in credit and not risk-free come 1 o'clock will be closed out. I only want risk-free trades going into the non-farm payroll. And if something's at risk, then it's going to be incredibly well managed, because anything could happen. So we'll leave it there. It's been a great day. I had lots of coffee. Winky's interrupted me, but we have it on camera. She said I can have a takeout. So I am very happy. And I might even have a beer. So remember, guys, do what you love. Money will follow. See you all in the next one.